I hope you're all having a great day today and happy gardening, wherever you are, whatever your weather is. Here it is extremely hot in my garden here. It's 30 degrees probably today and humid. We really have a crazy heat spell. Winter 2 weeks ago, snowing, and now it feels like summer, extreme summer. Anyway, I'm here today to show you my 3 compost bins. I just want to give you an idea of how simple it is. Now, these compost bins, I am a very passive composter. All I do is just put garden scraps in here. I don't put weed seeds. I do put any kind of dead plant material from the garden that I grew. I also put kitchen scraps, and the only ones I do are like vegetable scraps, eggshells, coffee grounds. I even did ash from the fire pits, and as well I put chicken poop, guinea pig litter, as you can see here at the top. Anyway, I just want to show you how amazing this is. So I just dug a hole to see if it was ready. Oh, I also put leaf compost too, so shredded leaves also go in here. So the last, I guess, year I've been trying to be more conscious of putting in greens and browns. Typically I would just throw everything in, but last year I started thinking about, okay, so this bin has browns like newspaper, shredded leaves, wood material, newspaper. Okay, I'm going to put some greens in. So that's the only thing I really did. So guinea pig litter would be considered a green because it's hot. It's their poop. Even though they're like a bunny, their poop is not really that hot. I still try to alternate. Anyway, back to what I want to show you. So I dug a hole here in the middle of this compost bin just to see what was going on. And I have very quickly found ready compost. I've already dug out some to my bucket, and this is just amazing stuff. There is no smell. Look at that. This literally was guinea pig litter, shredded leaves, grass clippings, newspaper, eggshells, onions, garlic, things from the garden, and that's it, and it's ready. So I'm going to use this in my garden, and I'm going to top up some of my beds with it. Now, it's okay if you see some, unfinished material in here. It's going to break down, like there's some eggshell. I'm not really worried about it. It can get buried. But as you can see, I'm a very passive composter. It's just, I love having these compost bins because rather than using the green compost that goes to the township, I have a place to throw stuff. So I just put it in here, and stuff from my garden too. Just a really easy way to dispose of your, garden waste. And look at that. I set aside my flyers that I get for free. They go in here as well. Eggshells, coffee grounds, everything. It's amazing. I'm really, really excited. And I've got another bin here, which I haven't dug out. And I'm positive that underneath this top layer, it's ready. And then there's the far one there too. I'm just going to walk you over there and show you. Last year I had a large wasp's nest in here, so I didn't really touch it, but it's gone now. And I've already dug this back before, and I found compost. So really, really amazing. Now, some people have a more organized system where they have the first bin and then they kind of turn it and go to the second bin. This just shows you that even if you're a lazy composter like me, just throwing stuff in, that will work. And it does. So it takes a little bit longer than if you were regimented about it, but it still works. So look, there's a wasp. Hopefully you don't make another nest, because this bin was quite active last year with lots of wasps. Luckily there's 2 more. So that's it. I just wanted to show that to you. Hope you're all having a really great day. Thanks for watching, everyone. Talk to you soon, and happy gardening wherever you are today. Hope that you have a chance to get out in the garden, do some planting, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now. Take care.